First thing is first, consultation. This guy, I've never cut his hair before, so I'm asking him if he has any moles in his head or looking for any open wounds. Not only am I asking him questions about if he has moles or whatnot, but I'm envisioning what his haircut's about to look like. For this good brother, he asked me if he could get a haircut that didn't look like he just got a haircut. As always, before a haircut, comb or brush out the hair. Before you start, make sure the head is straight where you want it and that they're sitting up. I'm going to start off with my number 8 attachment, 25 millimeter. With this guy's hair texture, I feel like you get the best result when you pick up the hair with the comb, if it's long enough. Usually when I'm cutting hair, I spin the chair like this with my knees. Not only does that help me out, I feel like with the steady flow, steady pace of the haircut, but it saves me time too. Again, if your client's posture's not right, let them know and tell them to sit up or put the head up. This guy's hair texture as well. It's also good, once again, that I'm using that comb, pushing the hair up, and then gliding the clippers through the hair. Keep in mind, this guy just wanted a natural look. Follow my techniques and watch closely to what I'm doing to improve your skills. Watch and notice how I use the comb to pick up the hair. Treat that comb like it's your second hand. When the client keeps moving their head like this, you have to make sure it's in the right placement. I literally lost count on this guy on how many times I had to move his head. Notice how I twirl the shears around the comb and I get the hair right where I need it. I'm cutting about 2 to 2.5 inches off the top of his head. Also, I'm using the hard rubber comb, and when I'm cutting the hair, I'm making sure I put the hair through the wide teeth and not the smaller teeth of the comb. At this point of the haircut, all I'm doing is matching up the sides from the number 8 I just cut to the shear work I just did on top. going in with the thinning shears or texturizing shears, and I'm just going to texturize the whole hair. Important part to keeping the sideburns looking as natural as possible. I'm lifting up the hair and just getting the fuzz. Same thing with behind the neck. As you know, his desired look just wanted to be natural. Like he just got a haircut but didn't really get a haircut. Notice how I keep flicking the hair off of the trimmer to keep the blade free of the hair that I just cut. Now all I gotta do is just remove that little line I put in for my trimmers, and I'm doing that with the wall legends. Before I go, I just want to say I appreciate you tuning in to my second tutorial. Stay tuned in for some more tutorial videos on how to cut different textures and different styles. And if you can, do your boy the favor, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button please, stay humble, tell a friend to tell his mama to start some drama about my channel. I appreciate that. I'm out.
Ballin' like Kareem, sippin' on codeine. I lean with it, rock with it, got coke dreams. Boom, back, boom in the trap. When trap meets house, you get a trap house. Got 2 stacks, throw it at a strip dancer. Big booty hoe, said she from Atlanta.